Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the second question of LeetCode top 75, and that is greatest common divisor of strings. In this question they are not asking about the longest prefix, so we cannot solve it using like two pointer approach. We can solve, but it will be very much complex. So we are solving it using math. Now let's come to the problem, and if we see the problem, it is saying that there will be two string s1 and t, string 1 and string 2, and like string 2 and string 1 will be like we have to return the largest string x such that x divide both str1 and str2. Let's see the example, then we can understand better. Okay, so here we have abc and abc, and here we have abc. Okay, string 1 is abc, 2 times abc, and string 2 is only 1 times abc. So the greatest common divisor of both of these will be abc, right? But and if we go here like in the second one, we can see that there is ab and there is ab. So we cannot return ab, right? Because ab cannot divide the string 1. Ab, there is no 4 times ab. So that's why ab will not be our result, but ab can uh, divide both the string. Okay, so if we go by the longest prefix, then in this case it may return ab. Okay, that's why we cannot go for the longest common subsequence. Now our longest common prefix, that kind of approach we cannot use here. And in the third example they are saying that if it is not divided, like LeetCode and leet and code, string 1 and string 2, leet and code cannot be divided by ad. There is no greatest common divisor of these two string. That's why it is returning none. Okay, so this is our problem statement. And if we try to solve it, first of all we have to like solve this edge case. Okay, so in this case we can say that if our str1 plus str2 is not equivalent to str2 plus str1, then we should return none, right? There is not, it cannot be happen, there is no greatest common divisor. Why? Now, we are going, let's see how we are going to solve it, then you will understand better. Okay, so if let's suppose we are calculating the greatest gcd. Okay, so int gcd length will be, we are using gcd of str1 dot size comma str2 dot size. Okay, so this will return the greatest gcd, like there will be 5 and 2. Okay, so the length of the gcd we can get from here. Okay, the maximum length of the gcd. Now, like first in this case, in abc it will return like here it is 6 and here it is 3. So the greatest common divisor will be 3 here, right? The 3 here. And if we go for here, we can see that this is ab like 6. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here it is 4. So the greatest common divisor will be 2 here, right? In this case it will be 2. So now we have to return the substring of that length only, right? And this is very easy in C++. We have to just return the substring. So str1 we can take str1 dot substring 0 comma gcd length, sorry, gcd length. Yeah, this is, so this is pretty simple. Like we have ABC and ABC. So we are first of all calculating the greatest length, and then we are returning the substring of that length. Okay, so now this line is useful because if both from both the sides string is not equivalent, then cannot there cannot be any uh, greatest common divisor. Okay, that's why we are checking this condition. Let's submit it. First of all, let's run it. Yeah, it's completely running fine. Okay, completely okay. And to see, yeah, it's beats 100%. And okay, so this is very simple one. Thank you.